Hi, I'm Raylan. I wanted to get on here and review these clip-in hair extensions from NTY. I'm actually wearing them right now and I'm about to go out tonight, so I wanted to do a review, a try-on, and let you know how to get full volume hair while also making it natural looking. So let's take them off and show you how to use them. If you have fine hair or are on your hair journey like I am, clip-in extensions like these that are very lightweight are a really good option for your hair. Because they're so lightweight, they're not going to tug. And since they're temporary, I like using them for special occasions. I have the 4-piece 18-inch clip-in hair extensions that are so easy to put on. I got mine in light brown, but this company has so many different colors and styles. I like to get a little curl at the end, so I got that one, but they also have straight and curly. They literally look like human hair. Like they have the light brown, the darker brown interwoven in it, and the lighter brown interwoven in it. So it really looks very natural, very layered. It's very shiny and it's made out of 100% vegan fiber. So it's going to give you that nice luxurious look while also being very lightweight. Another thing I love is that the weft itself is very lightweight as well because it's 40% thinner, softer, and lighter than the classic rose weft. And the wefts are just the black clippies. Also, all it has is a little black line in the front of it. So it really looks nice and camouflaged within my hair. It comes with 4 pieces. So it has 1 4 weft, 1 3 weft, and 2 2 wefts for the side. It also comes with a comb to brush the extensions, and it comes with a little cute hair tie as well as an instruction manual, and it just shows you some styles that you can do with the extensions. The color blends really well with my hair, and I really like the curl at the end because it looks more natural. It's recommended that you would gently comb through these with your fingers the first time, just so it prevents hair shedding and you can maintain it better. You can use heat on these if you want to straighten the hair, and you can also wash these in cold water as well so you can maintain that beautiful look. And if you don't like the shiny look, you can also just add some dry shampoo.